What is good, YouTube? It's your girl Gabby, and today I'm coming back with your review on Flady Hair. I installed it. I'm sorry, guys, I didn't have time to record, but this is the hair. Very soft and just luxurious, and I'm really loving it. I haven't yet. I only had it in for about like 3 days. So that being said, I don't know how to say it. You guys, I don't really know yet on the future. I'm hoping this lasts about 2 weeks for me because I can't wear hair for that long. I don't know. I'm just a different person, okay? But anyways, I just hope that it lasts a while. So, this is the hair, guys. It's so nice. To be Amazon, this is amazing, guys. You guys have to go get you guys some what is it called? Oh, Flady Hair. I'm sorry, I do a whole lot of shit in one day, so I forget stuff. But anyways, go get you guys some Flady Hair. Like, that's where it's at right now. And it's like really luxurious. Like, who wouldn't want this beautiful hair? And this is not sponsored by any chance or any sorts, but this is the hair. And don't forget, guys, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified and all the shits if you want to be updated when I post. So this is the hair, guys. I love the frontal. Like, it looks so natural. I don't know if it looks natural on the camera, but it looks so natural in person, and I'm really feeling it, really loving it, and I'm just all about it, okay? I'm all about it. But anyways, yeah, go subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and comment below and tell me how your hair experience was with Flady Hair. Let me know how your shipping, went through or whatever. But anyways, it's about that time when we leave, y'all, and we about to head out.